Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So here we are again, adventure with Jenny. So sorry guys, I've been almost 2 weeks. I think I did not upload it to my channel because I'm so really busy last time, and then it's 3 days also I get feel sick, and then also we because of that our weather here is get 2 days, I get 2 days get typhoon here, so that just now I updated my channel. So today's video guys, I will going to the Robinson Mall. I with my cousin May here, so and her daughter. So yeah, I will go with Nicole and her. Nicole's in the Robinson, so I'm gonna take them there guys in Robinson. So what we're gonna do is to look the Halloween. We're going now. We're just walking guys, because this time we're having a tricycle. Because I not fell on the mood to driving, so we just get a trike. So we're gonna walking there and waiting the tricycle guys. So see ya in Robinson. Yeah, Nicole's there.
Ikaw, Jalen, tao.
Okay. So go. Nicole and company is there. And May here. Get inside. Hey Nicole, Altia, what you gonna do here? What you gonna do here? You gonna watch that horror guy? Yeah. Here. So are you happy? Wala na nakadungog. Dadang! Hey, what are you doing here? Huh? Right? So the kids there. So we were going. Where are you going? Hey, where are you going? In the playground. The two kids not focusing on me now. Where we going to the Carnival Fair. In here. So the Robinson Mall is there. So here. Guys. Walking, going to the fair. Here, the entrance, guys, for the carnival. Yeah, the two kids there. Nice. So we'll get inside. So we're going to the horror chamber. You're gonna ride? Pati ya.
Nadokan. Agason.
We are right now at the horror chamber. We're not really scared. Here. Welcome to my vlog. Yeah, welcome to my vlog. What channel? Yeah?
The channel.
Adventure with Jenny. So we will try this one. So, are you sure you cannot scared? Okay.
Nara, lagi mag-ikap kami.
Okay, let's go now.
Wala lagi mga handog. Nabundas na mo, ang mata. Nabun.
Now close your eyes. Oh. So we are waiting more passenger. There, Nicolo. Look. Just stand by. Are you ready, guys? Yeah. Where are you going? Here. Come on. Up there. Look at this two kids.
Ang nanghagit, may nanghadlok.
They are asking us to try this one, and they now they scared. You scared? When you are still outside, why you scared? Okay, we go. Shut up.
Namu ni ang mata.
Alright, guys. Careful, you bang your head there. Oy, nalagay ko na. Wala na, dali na. Wala na. Wala na. What is your feeling, guys? What is your feeling inside? Yeah? You're really scared? You're really shouting.
Gasugod ako kwante. Hold tarong ha. kayo. Ani.
So where are you going now?
Jollibee.
Jollibee? What are you gonna do in Jollibee? Huh?
Wala.
These kids is very don't care what they feel. Jollibee. Taking pictures. Alisa, unsay mo orderon? What you gonna order? French fries and? Huh? Hamburger? About you, Altia? Ikaw, Altia? Guys, we are now at Jollibee. Hi! Ikaw and Altia. We are waiting our order. You hungry na? We are waiting our order. Ayan yung order na, guys. What you gonna see, guys? What you got? What you got order? You got french fries and ice cream. Do you like it? Yeah. Yeah, shy. So let's eat. Gawin na ang ulit. Let's eat na. Next. So this is my video for today, guys. So see ya in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.